What comes first, AI or ML? In terms of the development of the field, AI came before machine learning, ML. The term, artificial intelligence, was first coined in 1956 by John McCarthy, who is considered to be one of the founders of the field. At the time, AI research focused on creating computer programs that could perform tasks that typically required human intelligence, such as understanding natural language and playing chess. Machine learning, as a specific subfield of AI, emerged in the late 1950s and early 1960s. Researchers began to develop algorithms and statistical models that could enable computers to learn from data, rather than being explicitly programmed for each task. Machine learning algorithms were initially used to solve specific tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. So, AI came first and ML is a subset of AI that enables the systems to learn and improve from the data they are exposed to, without being explicitly programmed. It's worth noting that AI and ML continue to evolve and expand to new areas of application, and the distinction between the two fields is not always clear-cut. The boundaries between AI and ML are sometimes blurred, as many AI systems now rely heavily on machine learning techniques to improve their performance.